Welcome to this introduction video to crypto trading. In this video, you are going to be able to understand the major difference between a crypto trader and a crypto investor, as well as why crypto trading is a business and must be treated as such if you plan to succeed in this battleground, the survival of the fittest. Cryptocurrency trading and investing in many ways represent a different world when compared to traditional stock, commodities, and bond financial market. And this is why, as an investor or a trader, it's important to understand what you're getting into before you start. That is especially true when it comes to a speculative and still evolving financial market like the crypto market. Here are some of the terms and phrases used in the crypto world that will help beginners understand the crypto market. General terms used in the industry include block. A block is made up of group of data stacked in a decentralized way on the blockchain. Each block contains a cryptographic reference to the last, making it impossible to change the history of the blockchain. Now, blockchains are built up of a growing list of transactions which are formatted into blocks. Therefore, blocks are made up of transaction records as users buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Each block can hold only a certain amount of information. Once it reaches that limit, a new block is formed to continue the chain. Blockchain. A blockchain is a digital form of record keeping and a method of storing data in a decentralized way. The data stored on a blockchain can be duplicated and distributed across the network of computers system on that blockchain. Blockchain is the result of sequential blocks that build upon one another, creating a permanent and unchangeable ledger of transactions. Usually, they are operated by community of miners or validators because they do not require a centralized intermediary body to operate. Ledger. A ledger refers to a database of transactions. In cryptocurrency, the ledger refers to transaction history of a given cryptocurrency as stored on the blockchain. Altcoins. Altcoins, also known as alternative coin to Bitcoin, refers to any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. Each altcoin could emerge from forking an existing coin or from an entirely new technology. Each altcoin has its own set of rule, properties, and a specific use cases. Fork. A fork is described as a situation whereby a blockchain experiences a change in the protocol that produces two parallel chains. Most times, forks typically occur when cryptocurrency developers or communities disagree between themselves and decide that the protocol must be changed or updated. There are two types of fork. We have the hard fork and the soft fork. Hard fork, here, the protocol breaks backward compatibility and causes a new cryptocurrency to be issued. While soft fork, the rule set is updated, requiring support from a majority of the network's participants. Validators. Validators are participants in proof of stake blockchain network who are responsible for verifying incoming transactions. Validators help maintain the integrity of the blockchain and keep it safe and secure. In return, they receive rewards for their work. These validators are chosen by the network to validate new blocks based on the amount of cryptocurrency they have staked in the network. Block reward. When blocks are created by miners or validators, a block reward is issued. This takes the form of newly minted cryptocurrency, which is used as an incentive for participants to help keep the blockchain running. The app. Also known as decentralized application. The apps are computer programs that run on top of blockchain networks using smart contracts to provide trustless tools and services for end users. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency refers to a digital and decentralized currency used as a long-term storage of value and also can be used as a means of exchange of goods and services. Therefore, it's another form of money. Decentralization. Decentralization is the principle of distributing power to the people away from a central authority or centralized intermediary by using technologies to increase security. DeFi. Decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, refers to the growing ecosystem of applications and services that leverage blockchain technology as well as cryptocurrencies to provide decentralized financial services to end users. DeFi applications allow users to borrow, lend, and earn interest on their cryptocurrencies. DeFi applications are made up of a collection of smart contracts that define the exact process and flow of users' funds allowed in the DeFi application. Tokens are distinct from crypto coins. A token is a unit of value on a blockchain that usually has some other value proposition besides just transfer of value. Tokens are usually issued by deploying a smart contract to a blockchain. Smart contracts are written computer programs that are stored on and are operated by blockchain networks. Smart contracts allow app developers to create decentralized applications to be hosted on blockchain that work with cryptocurrency to provide transparent financial products and services to their end users. Examples of such blockchain include Ethereum blockchain, Binance Smart Chain. Consensus refers to the method by which blockchain participants agree on what should be included into the blockchain. In cryptocurrency, there are two most prominent consensus mechanisms currently used by crypto networks today. These are proof of work (POW) or proof of stake (POS). Cryptography can be referred to as the method of keeping information secure and safe, and it is used in many areas in computing today. Cryptography secures blockchain and cryptocurrencies through SHA-256 one-way hashing algorithm to enable proof of work, and through private key or public key cryptography for authenticating and validating crypto transactions. SHA-256 is a one-way cryptography hashing algorithm that takes an input of any size and converts it to a random string of fixed length. Many blockchain projects like Bitcoin make use of SHA-256 to enable proof of work mining for verifying transactions. ERC20 is the most vastly used crypto token standard, and it is used on the Ethereum blockchain. It enables developers easily create digital currencies which are immediately compatible with existing infrastructures. ERC721 allows for the creation of unique uncounterfeitable tokens, creating digital collectibles and gaming items, or even to tokenize real-world unique items. ERC721 is the Ethereum network standard for non-fungible tokens (NFTs). Proof of work (POW) is another consensus mechanism that leverages a network of computers called miners that verify transactions, and in exchange they get crypto reward. Anyone can become a miner, competing to create new blocks by using computing resources to solve a cryptographic puzzle called hash. The first to do this earns the right to append their new block to the blockchain. Proof of stake (POS) is a consensus mechanism used by blockchain. Participants could deposit an amount of cryptocurrency to the network through a process called staking, are given the opportunity to help generate new blocks and earn block rewards. Proof of stake uses validators instead of miners. Testnet refers to application testing environment. Smart contract platforms like Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum blockchain provide application developers a testing environment in which they can deploy and test smart contracts, and this environment is what is known as testnet. This testing environment usually work the same way as the main network, but here the cryptocurrencies used are valueless and can be acquired for free from a testnet fuset. Mining is the process of contributing computer resources to a blockchain network in order to create new blocks. In return, miners earn rewards. Mining pool. A mining pool is a group or a community of miners that have pooled their computing or hashing power together. Miners in proof of work blockchain all compete to be the first to create new valid block. Because of this, miners pooling can help these participants increase or level out their mining profit faster. DAO. DAO means Decentralized Autonomous Organization. This refers to a business entity that is represented as transparent rule in a number of smart contracts, aiming to reduce centralization by giving the community the ability to govern the future of the DAO and its products and services by voting for or against any proposed changes or updates. White paper. White paper in cryptocurrency refers to the documents that are typically academic in nature, proposing a new technology, outlining the exact detail of its implementations. New projects launch white papers to help potential investors understand the products and services and its future potential. Halving. This describes the process of the reduction of block reward for Bitcoin mining by 50% after every 4 years. Halving occurs after 210,000 blocks has been mined since the previous halving, corresponding to roughly every 4 years. Bitcoin network started with 50 BTC block reward to miners, but now they are receiving 6.25 BTC per block after 3 previous halvings. Hash rate. This refers to the measuring unit of processing power that tells how many network specific calculations are done per second by the Bitcoin network. Example, a hash rate of 1 terahash means the network can perform 1 trillion calculation in 1 second. Node. A node is a type of participant in the blockchain network that stores data and contributes to the consensus process to ensure that all new transactions and blocks are valid. Miners act as full node, but anyone may also operate a node to monitor the network without contributing computer resources. Cryptocurrency wallet. Cryptocurrency wallets are used to store cryptocurrencies. A crypto wallet functions just like a regular bank account. Crypto holders use wallets to control their private keys and provide an interface to make transactions through their public keys. Crypto wallets can be custodial or non-custodial. A custodial wallet means that you have full control over the crypto that is stored in the wallet. Examples of such wallets are hardware wallet and paper wallet. Non-custodial wallet includes wallet that you do not have access to the private key. You do not have control over the funds and the coins in that wallet. Example of such wallet are all wallets that are offered by centralized exchanges. Such exchange include Binance, Coinbase. The distinction here is whether or not the user retains full control of their private keys. Private key. Private key is used to identify the owner of a given cryptocurrency wallet. It also acts like a password, so anyone with your private key has access to your firm. Public key. Public keys are generated alongside your private keys as pairs. Your public key is a long string of characters that are running through an algorithm to produce your wallet address. Your public key is also called your wallet address. Network fee. Network fee is required to ensure your transaction is processed on the blockchain network. The fee is used as an incentive to reward network participants like miners and validators for processing transactions and helping secure the network.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.